Good afternoon. Today we're going to talk about the Source 4 line of tungsten halogen stage lights from ETC, Electronic Theater Controls. We have a range of the fixtures within the line here today. Controlling our fixtures, we have the ETC Smart Fade control console. This particular model is the 2496. It has 96 total channels with one universe of DMX output. It can be operated with 48 channel faders, 48 submaster faders, or in a two-scene mode with 24 channel faders in the top scene and 24 channel faders in the bottom scene with the crossfade that goes on over here. You can also program steps and create sequences and do playback for pre-programmed looks. There's also a DMX backup mode and MIDI input capability so that you can actually operate your sequences from an audio source on a beats per minute timing. Doing our dimming today, we have the Smart Module 2 dimming pack from ETC. This is the 4-channel variety. It's 4 dim circuits powered from a single 20 amp circuit. There's also a convenience outlet that is constant power. This particular model has dual Edison output, also available as standard our stage pin outlet and 20 amp grounded twist lock outlet. DMX in and through, fully addressable, so you can have a myriad of DMX devices in a system as part of the Smart Module 2. We'll start with the newest Source 4 traditional tungsten halogen stage light. That's the Source 4 Fresnel. It's a 7.5 inch Fresnel. The accessories are accessed with this door. Cuts down on light leaks. Your gel frame, barn doors, things of that nature would go in here. And then the door has a couple of spring-loaded latches for securing those items. Focus occurs on the other side of the fixture. Very similar mechanism to the Source 4 Zoom for spot and flood focus. There's a lock, you unlock, and it rotates to give 20 to 65 degrees of spot to flood. And the way in which the fixture is relamped is somewhat unique, so that you don't have to change the focus on the fixture. This also gives us a good view of the mechanism, the spot to flood mechanism. So lock that in place. Obviously once the fixture's cool, you'd loosen this brass screw, and then you would rotate the lamp module here out of the fixture, and there's our 575 watt HPL. Of course, all of these fixtures take the HPL lamp specifically designed for the Source 4 lamp. The HPL lamp's available in 375, 575, and 750 watt varieties. All of these fixtures, with the exception of one, are rated up to 750 watts. Those lamps for domestic use are available in both 120 and 115 volt varieties. So that's how you relamp the fixture. So we'll turn the Fresnel on here. We'll get an idea of the quality of the beam. So there you can see that's full spot, so that would be 20 degree output. And then a nice smooth out to full flood, so that would be 65 degrees. And variable anywhere in between, and then like I said, it locks into place so that you don't have any focused movement. Another nice feature is the adjustable yoke. You can loosen 2 nuts here, and the yoke actually can slide within this channel here so that you can adjust the balance point, the hanging point of the fixture, depending on what kind of accessories you may have in the front of the fixture. So that's the Source 4 Fresnel. Next fixture is the Source 4 PAR. This was ETC's answer to traditional PAR 64. Smaller package. Instead of changing a lamp to go from different beam spreads, very narrow, narrow, medium, and wide, you actually change a lens. The fixture comes with 4 secondary lenses standard: narrow, very narrow, medium, and wide. And the lenses are inserted into the fixture. They snap into place with a retaining ring. And that's how you adjust the beam spread output. There's a rotatable collar here that you can see so that you can actually adjust the linear run of the beam, much in the way that you would adjust a traditional PAR can from the back of the fixture. Again, same lamp, rated up to 750 watts. All the fixtures we're showing today have the 575 watt HPL. This one will. This is one of the narrow lenses. As you can see there, it's pretty bright. Output with the 575 watt lamp is going to be just shy of your traditional 1000 watt par 64. Once you put the 750 watt HPL in this fixture, it's going to be brighter than a traditional 1000 watt par can. All the fixtures have a spring-loaded retaining clip on the front for the gel frame slot, so you can put in your color frame and your barn door, top hat, whatever sort of accessories, and then it closes and locks into place so that those accessories aren't going to fall out. That's the Source 4 Par. Next fixture is the Parnell. Same form factor as the Source 4 Par, but instead of changing out the lenses, there's two permanently mounted lenses that rotate off axis from each other with the dial on the bottom of the fixture. And this fixture has a 25 to 45 degree beam. Get a pretty good look there. The previous fixture, the Source 4 Par, the standard fixture comes with an enhanced aluminum reflector. There is a model referred to as the MCM, which is a metal-cooled mirror reflector. It's actually designed to remove even more of the heat out of the beam of the light, to take the heat out of the back of the fixture. So in certain installations, say low ceiling applications, or if you have performers that are especially sensitive to heat, you can use the MCM fixture to eliminate even more heat from the beam. The next fixture is the Source 4, the full-size ellipsoidal. This is the original fixture in the Source 4 line. The entire Source 4 line has shipped over 3 million units in the 20-year history of the fixture. This is a full-size ellipsoidal. Again, same lamp, same HPL, rated up to 750 watts. Has a dichroic coated glass reflector, and then interchangeable lensing on the front to adjust the beam angle of the fixture. This particular unit has a 50-degree lens tube. Lens tubes are available starting at 5 degree. There's a 10 degree, a 14 degree, a 19 degree, a 26, a 36, a 50, 70, and a 90 degree. All of those available as interchangeable lens tubes. Many of those lens tubes are also available in what ETC refers to as an EDLT, enhanced definition lens tube, with a little higher precision optics, especially designed for crisp pattern projection. So as you can see, swapping out the lens tube, fairly easy. This is a 50 degree, just removed one screw there, back in, and then any focusing that you might do with the lens tube will be done there as well. Another great feature of this fixture is the rotatable barrel. It's a set screw that's loosened here, and then the fixture actually has a 30-degree rotation so that you can adjust angles of shutter cuts or patterns, gobos, things of that nature. Very helpful when you're trying to do a pattern wash and you're trying to get a logo to line up perfectly. You don't have to keep taking the pattern out of the fixture and adjusting the pattern within the pattern holder. This fixture does take both A and B size patterns right here in the accessory slot in front of the shutters. The fixture also has a second larger accessory slot designed for irises and other accessories. Turn the Source 4 on here. With the shutters, a good focus. You can see we've got a very, very sharp edge there. Nice flat field. Get some good solid shutter cuts there. And that's the Source 4 ellipsoidal. Also available as a Source 4 ellipsoidal is the zoom range. The fixture from here back is the same. And then on the front of the fixture, there's a zoom lens tube, either 25 to 50 degree or 15 to 30 degree. And then the other ellipsoidal, as part of the Source 4 line, is the Source 4 Junior. Same lamp housing. This fixture only rated for 575 watts. Same HPL lamp. Same focusing mechanism on the back. This fixture, being slightly smaller, uses an M-size pattern, but there's a pattern slot and an accessory slot for an iris as well. This fixture is available as a 26 degree, a 36 degree, a 50 degree, or a 25 to 50 degree zoom, all in this form factor. See, what's nice about this is with the zoom aspect of it, you can have got a little gobo in there. You can adjust the size of the beam right on the fixture. So zoom obviously offers a little more flexibility. 25 to 50 degree, that's this model, and then again also the 26, 36, and 50 degree fixed focus Junior. One of the things that's nice about the ellipsoidals, both the Junior line and the full-size ellipsoidal, in terms of the lamp, it's a special retaining clip to help hold in the lamp to make sure that the lamp is seated all the way into the socket. That way it reduces any arcing that might occur within the socket if the lamp pins aren't seated all the way. This retaining ring here, you can see there, relamp, locks back into place. The other fixtures in the Source 4 line that we don't have here, the Source 4 Multi-Par, which is a strip light, border light type product, which uses the Source 4 par in pre-manufactured groupings of 3, 4, or 12 units. Most of these fixtures are also available with an HID lamp source for long-term, non-dim architectural style installations. So that's the Source 4 line of traditional tungsten halogen stage lights. Thank you.